In this video we are going to tell you how to clean your mouse pad. A mouse pad is an essential accessory for any computer user, but over time it can accumulate dirt, grime, and oil from your hands. A dirty mouse pad can negatively affect your mouse's tracking and decrease its accuracy, resulting in frustration and poor performance. In this how-to video, we will discuss some tips and tricks for cleaning a mouse pad effectively. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. A mouse pad, also known as a mouse mat, is a flat pad or surface designed to provide a smooth and consistent tracking surface for a computer mouse. It is typically made of a thin, flexible material, such as rubber, cloth, or plastic, and is placed on a desk or other flat surface. Regular cleaning helps maintain cleanliness and prevents the buildup of bacteria, germs, and allergens that can potentially affect your health. Check the care label. Before cleaning your mouse pad, check the care label to see if there are any specific instructions for cleaning or care. Some mouse pads may be machine washable, while others require hand washing or spot cleaning. Use a mild detergent. If your mouse pad is machine washable or can be hand washed, use a mild detergent to clean it. Fill a sink or bucket with warm water and add a small amount of detergent. Immerse the mouse pad in the water and use your hands to agitate it gently. Scrub with a soft brush. For stubborn stains or dirt buildup, you can use a soft brush to scrub the surface of the mouse pad gently. Be careful not to use too much pressure, as this can damage the surface of the mouse pad. Rinse thoroughly. After cleaning the mouse pad, rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap or detergent residue. Make sure to rinse both sides of the pad to ensure it is completely clean. Dry the mouse pad. Once the mouse pad is clean, it is important to dry it thoroughly before using it again. Lay the mouse pad flat on a clean, dry towel and blot the excess water with another towel. Avoid wringing or twisting the mouse pad, as this can damage its shape. Allow the mouse pad to air dry completely before using it again. Use a lint roller. If your mouse pad is not machine washable or cannot be hand washed, you can use a lint roller to remove any dirt or debris. Roll the lint roller over the surface of the mouse pad, applying gentle pressure to pick up any dirt or debris. Cleaning your mouse pad is an essential part of maintaining its performance and longevity. Follow these tips and tricks to clean your mouse pad effectively, and remember to check the care label for specific instructions. Use a mild detergent, scrub with a soft brush, rinse thoroughly, dry the mouse pad, and use a lint roller if necessary. With proper care, your mouse pad will provide a smooth, accurate surface for your mouse for years to come. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.